Hello everyone, welcome back to another live trade of MarketMindX. This is our day 11 of our live intraday output where we apply our market direction framework in real time. Yeah. As you can see the date of recording, that is 19 Jan 2026, and the time is 9:21. Okay. I'll play this video and let's see how we analyze the market and how did we react to the live market. So the market opened with a big negative candle, 1 minute candle, and the price started retracing. And when it retraced, it reached to the EMA, and indecision candle has formed. Okay, so my view was bearish from the beginning of the day because I was analyzing the data over the weekend for Jan 16th, where the big players have positioned themselves. So FIIs and Pro were bearish in OI index and the OI futures. However, for the index option and index futures, they were a mixed sentiment. So overall, as a majority, I was on the bearish side of the market. So when the price retraced 50%, I was expecting a green candle to form and then the low of the green candle to be breached. So if that happens, similarly, what I expect, then I had made up my mind that I'll be taking a bearish trade immediately. Yeah. So I will fast forward this. So here it has created a indecision candle. So at this particular price, I was expecting the market to come down. Yeah, I wanted a big green candle touch this EMA and the low to be broken. Yeah, I'll fast forward this by another 30 seconds. See, this is completely live. Like, this is not something like post everything happens, I'm marking the levels and all those things and all. Yeah. And if you want to learn what we are doing and following the framework, reach out to us. Definitely, we are open to teach. We don't want to keep this as a secret, or we are not following something like which is uh, people don't know. It's very much simple. The only thing is like follow a structured framework. That's it. That's the key win point of trading. Yeah. So after this particular green candle, this particular candle has breached the low. Okay, this is where we initiated our entry and we have kept a stop loss. Okay, the stop loss was coming big. That's the reason today we have planned uh, uh, a slight change in the risk to reward. We have set a risk to reward of 1 is to 1.5. Okay, this was covering somewhere around 67 points in stop loss and 122 points in target. Yeah, let's say. So at this particular point, I wanted to give some room for the price to move, and once it stabilizes in our direction, then I have planned to bring down the stop loss to cost. Okay, so the first candle itself, it started moving in our favor. I have also mentioned 1 is to 1.5 RR trade, and I have given the entry price, and the stop loss is also mentioned. Yeah, let me fast forward a bit by 30 seconds more. Okay, this candle started moving in our favor. So once it started moving in our favor, so as usual, like what we do, we try to reduce the risk in the particular trade. Yeah. So here my expectation was I was waiting for a green candle to form again, and after the green candle I was waiting for the next red candle to form so that I can reduce the risk. So immediately as soon as you enter, if you want the to bring the SL to cost, then you are gonna be pushed out of the market. Your stop loss will hit immediately. You need to give some room or time for your price to move in your favor. So after that you can bring your SL down. So most of the people, what they will do is, like, as soon as they see the green candle over here, oh my god, like, did we enter in the wrong direction? Should we reverse the trade? And they will exit. But we are following our structured rule, and we stay in the trade, and that's what it rewards us. So see now how I reduce the risk in this particular trade. Exactly like I mentioned. Now slowly agree, after the green candle, a red candle started forming. So the next expectation of us was to close below this green candle, below this. So now when this candle started coming down, let me show you, fast forwarded by 30 more seconds. When this candle came and closed here, then I confirmed that now we have given enough time and enough space also for the price to move in our favor, and I bought the stop loss to cost. So here I have also mentioned that I have bought the stop loss to cost, and now this trade becomes a risk free. So now there is a situation wherein we don't either loss or we take profits from the market. Okay, after this candle the price started moving little fast in our favor, and as usual we don't wait exactly for the pinpoint to touch to book the profit. As soon as it nears our target, we start booking the profits, and then we wait for the validation whether our final target was achieved. Yeah, so here I have mentioned it as booking profits at this particular price, and within a fraction of seconds it has completed our target. And as usual we have closed this particular trade, and mentioning a thanks to everyone. And once again, like, if you want to learn our structured framework, reach out to us. We have given our contact. You can either send you can send your inquiry details to us, or like you can reach out to us via WhatsApp. We have provided the number, and we will definitely teach you this particular structure. If you want to build more confidence, watch our live trades throughout the month. We'll be posting this, and once you have the full confidence on this particular structure, you can reach out to us. If you still have mm, a belief that something is working on this, reach out to us now. Thanks everyone.